Hello everyone, I have my first hybrid. It's Toyota Camry 2007 year, and it's have a problem. Check engine light and doesn't work hybrid system. So I have a problem and I'm going to repair the battery. And because of this, you will see in this video how I do it. So to start the work, it is necessary to disconnect a small battery, 12 volt. Then you need to remove the fuse from the high voltage battery. This must be done. So here is what I had to disassemble beforehand in order for it to look like this. But don't worry, it's all very easy to remove. The next step will be to remove the top protective panel. And here are the nuts that need to be unscrewed. You will also have to unscrew a few more elements. Then you can remove the panel. Now you can see what the battery looks like from the inside. Now you need to remove the insulator covers that cover the contact between the battery elements. Then you can see the castle of all suffering. Oxidized contacts. They need to be removed and cleaned to restore the connection. There is a lot of work, so be patient. Contact plates look like this. No, it all needs to be cleaned well. After work done, I have to work correctly.